Hey guys, so my name's Andres Morales and I'm a local real estate broker with Bonaventure Realtors, and today I wanted to share with you the top 10 title problems. But before we get there, we need to talk about what title insurance is. So title insurance is a way to protect yourself from financial loss and related legal expenses in the event that there's a defect on title to your property that is covered by the title policy. Now, title insurance differs from other types of insurance in that it focuses on risk prevention rather than risk assumption. With title insurance, title examiners review the history of your property and seek to eliminate title insurance before the purchase occurs. Title insurance also differs in that it comes with no monthly payments. It's just a one-time premium paid at closing. Now, this is one of the best investments that a new homeowner can make when purchasing their property, because protecting yourself from unforeseen events that can affect your ownership is a no-brainer. Errors in public records. Now, to err is to be human. But when it affects your homeownership rights, those mistakes can be devastating and expensive. Clerical or filing errors could affect the deed or survey of your property and cause undue financial strains in order to resolve them. Next, we have unknown liens. Now, prior owners of your property may not have been meticulous bookkeepers or bill payers, and even though the former debt is not your own, bank or other financing companies can place liens on your properties for unpaid debts even after you have closed on the sale. This is an especially worrisome issue with distressed properties, so keep an eye when you're buying an REO or foreclosure. Next, we have illegal deeds. While the chain of title on your property may appear perfectly sound, it's possibly that a prior deed was made by an undocumented immigrant, a minor, a person of unsound mind, or one who is reported single but is actually married. These instances may affect the enforceability of prior deeds, affecting prior and possibly present ownership, so you have to keep an eye out for this. Missing heirs. Now, this one's very common. When a person dies, the ownership of their home may fall to their heirs or those names within their will. However, those heirs are sometimes missing or unknown at the time of death. Other times, family members may contest the will for their own property rights. These scenarios, which can happen long after you have purchased the property, may affect your rights to the property. Forgeries. Now, unfortunately, we don't live in a completely honest world. Sometimes forged or fabricated documents that affect property ownership are filed within public records, obscuring the rightful ownership of the property. Once these forgeries come to light, your rights to your home may be in jeopardy, so keep an eye out for forgeries. Undiscovered encumbrances. Now, when it comes to owning a home, three can be a crowd. At the time of purchase, you may not know that a third party holds a claim to all or part of your property due to a former mortgage or a lien or non-financial claims, like restrictions or covenants limiting the use of the property. Unknown easements. Now, you may own your new home and the surrounding land, but an unknown easement may prohibit you from using it as you liked. Or it could allow government agencies, businesses, or other parties to access all or portions of your property. Now, while usually these issues are non-financial issues, easements can still affect your rights to enjoy your property. Then we have boundaries and service disputes. You may have seen several surveys of your properties prior to purchasing. However, other surveys may exist that show different boundaries. Therefore, a neighbor or other party may be able to claim ownership to a portion of your property. Undiscovered will. When a property owner dies with no apparent will or heir, the estate may sell his or her assets, including the home. When you purchase such a home, you assume your rights as an owner. However, even years later, the deceased owner's will may come to light and your rights to the property may be in serious jeopardy. False impersonation of previous owner. Now, here in California, common and similar names can make it possible to falsely impersonate a property owner. If you purchase a home that was once sold by a false owner, you can risk losing your legal claim to that property. Hey guys, I want to thank you for watching my video and that this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave your comments below. If you liked the video, give me a quick like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.